Hello and welcome to the Gtk Kick-start tutorial for Vala. We are going to learn how to write a basic desktop application using the Vala language. Let's get familiar with Vala, writing a command line application first. This is the smallest program we can have in Vala. It contains a declaration for the main function with the command line arguments list as a parameter, and finally returns 1 as the program status code. Now we're going to compile it using the Vala C command line tool. We take the Vala file as the argument and it will generate an executable file with the same prefix. Let's do something more interesting, like a proper hello world output. To write strings to the console, we can use the printf method of the standard output global object. Now we can compile and run it to check if it works. Cool! Now that we know the basics, we can start writing our first desktop application with Gtk. We are going to create an empty file and declare a class that inherits from Gtk window inside the Vala tutorial namespace. This will serve as a base for a new application UI. We add an empty constructor and create the main function as a static member of the class. The main function will initialize the Gtk library. Then it will create an instance of our custom window class that will make all of its children visible through the showOn method. And finally, it will start the Gtk main loop that will run our application. To link against the Gtk libraries, we need to specify that we're using the Gtk +-2.0 package through the --pkg option of the Vala compiler command. Now we can run our program. As you can see, a window is now shown after running it. However, notice that the program does not exit to the command line even if we close the window. The reason is that we're missing an event handler for the destroy signal. This signal is emitted from the window object when the user clicks on the close button. We are going to connect the Gtk main quit method with the destroy signal as its handler. This will stop the Gtk main loop and prevent our application from running after we close its main window. Now we're going to create a button with the label click me, and then add it to the main window through its add method. Obviously, clicking the button won't have any effect. We are going to create an event handler for the clicked event of the button class. We can check for the handler prototypes for the signals in the valadoc.org website. This handler will print a string to the standard output every time the button is pressed. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of UI application development with Gtk using Vala. Don't forget to visit the Gtk and Vala websites for more information and tutorials. Thank you for watching.